Welcome all. In this session, we will see about the vacancies at Wildlife Institute of India. We will see the eligible qualification and how to apply for this post. First notification, vacancy is for one post for project scientist, two posts for project associate 2, two posts for project associate 1, and one post for project assistant, and one post for administrative assistant. These posts are all contractive basis for 1 year. Last date to apply is July 20th. Here we will see for one post the essential qualifications. The remaining post you can see from the PDF. I will give this PDF in the description box. First post is Project Scientist 2. Salaries around 67,000. Essential qualification is doctoral degree in wildlife service with a minimum of 3 years experience in a research or in academic institutions or science and technology organization and scientific activities and services. For the rest post, you can see from this notification essential qualification. How to apply for the post is they have given a format. In this format, you have to fill all the details. After filling all the details, you have to submit in the PDF format to the respective mail ID. In the subject line, you have to mention like application for the post, the name of the post you have to mention, and you have to mention these lines on it before 20th July. After shortlistment of candidate, they will send you a mail regarding the online interview process. In the next notification, there is a vacancy of one research assistant. It is also contractual basis for 1 year. Before 20th July, you have to apply for the post. The post is research assistants. Essential qualification is bachelor degree in any discipline related to biological science or life science or ecological science from a recognized university. How to apply is same as the before post. They have given you a format. In this format, you have to fill all the details. After filling all the details, you have to mail to the respective mail ID. The subject line you have to mention for which post you are applying. The next notification is vacancy of project associate. Two vacancies are there. Essential qualifications master degree in any stream from a recognized university. 2 years relevant experience. How to apply is you have to complete the application form in PDF format and you have to mail to the respective mail ID. In the subject line, you have to mention for which post you are applying. The next notification is regarding vacancy at project associate 1. Two vacancies there. It's for master degree in natural science from recognized university or equivalent. The application format is available in this website. You have to download the application from this website and you have to fill it. After filling this form, you have to post it to the respective address before 21st July. You have to mention in this envelope like which post you are applying. The next notification is regarding vacancy for internal audit officer. Essential qualification is the assistant accounts officer or account officer from recognized accounts department of Government of India having minimum 5 years of regular service in grade and have passed SAS examination eligible to apply for the post. The application you have to make on a plain paper, it should be a typed one, and send by post to the respective address before 6th August. What is the post you are applying? What is the advertisement number? What is your name and date of birth, nationality? And they have mentioned you about 13 details. These details you have to type in a plain paper and send them by post. The post is at CIFRI. Vacancy is one post for young professional 2. The essential qualification for this post is Bachelor of Fisheries Science or MSc in Zoology or Life Sciences. How to apply for this post is they have given you the format In this format, you have to fill all the details. After filling all the details, you have to mail to this respective mail ID before 22nd July. Next post is at SIFRI. For Project Scientist 1, essential qualification is PhD in Fisheries Resource Management, Aquaculture or Zoology with at least 1 year of experience on exploration of benthos, plankton or fish diversity. Technical Assistant, essential qualification is Bachelor of Fisheries Science or BSc, Zoology or Marine Biology or Life Science with 2 years of experience of working in inland fisheries. Technical Assistant 1, essential qualification here is Bachelor of Fisheries Science or BE. They have given the Bachelor of Fisheries Science in the next notification. I have attached that notification in this PDF form to download it. How to apply is you have to fill all the details. After filling all this detail in this form, you have to mail to this respective mail IDs before 19th July. Next one notification is there at SIFRI. Post is for Young Professional 1. Essential qualification is Bachelor of Science. Same like that, you have to fill the respective form and send to this respective mail ID before 25th July. Vacancy at SIFA. 2 posts are there for Young Professional 2. Essential qualification is BSc degree in Bioinformatics, Biotechnology, Genomics, Biochemistry, Microbiology. How to apply for the form is you have to visit this website. Here you have to onlinely fill that form and submit it before 23rd July 2021. Next post is SIFRI. 1 vacancy is there for Young Professional 2. Essential qualification is Master of Science in Microbiology or Biotechnology or Biochemistry or Bachelor of Fisheries Science or Bachelor of Veterinary Science or BSc in Agriculture. How to apply is you have to fill this respective form. After filling it, you have to mail to this respective mail ID before 22nd July 2021. Thank you.